Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a sticky section on your pages. Okay, so this design is a very good looking, and it's give you an extra layer of your design. Okay, and it will make your page more professional and dynamic. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example. Okay, so here's the page. Okay, in this page I have some dummy content, but you can see here when I scrolling. Okay, you see this section is sticky. Okay, this is a full section with the content, and here's the second section which is also sticky, and then here is another section, but inside this section we have multiple different rows. Okay, so all the rows are sticky. Okay, so sticky row 1, sticky row 2, sticky row 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and then after that this is the normal content section. Okay, so this way you can actually make your page content more dynamic and good looking. Okay, so let me show you how we can create this. Okay, so before that, one more thing I want to say. We have three different code snippet for these. Okay, so one code snippet will work for both section and rows. Okay, so if you want to apply this code snippet with the section and rows on the same page, then we have the code snippet. But if you want to work with only the sections, no rows, then we have another code snippet for that, and another code snippet is for only rows. Okay, so if you only work with row, if you want to make your row sticky, okay, like this, then you can do this. Okay, so we have three different code snippet, but the implementation of each of them are pretty much same. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Here is the page. I have added all the design element, okay, with the dummy content and everything. And in this page I'm going to show you how you can use both section and rows. Okay, so you will get the code snippet right inside the GHL code snippet library. Okay, and then you just need to copy the code and just paste it here, or you can use the code editor. Okay, you will get the code editor link inside the members area. Okay, so just you can just make the style, like if you want to make your section full width, okay, full height, then just use this code snippet. Otherwise you can remove this. But what you need to do, just replace this section and rows ID. Okay, so for example, in this page I want to use both section and row as sticky. Okay, so first of all I need to define which row and which section I want to make sticky. So in this case, here's my first section, okay, that I want to make sticky. So I need to go to select this section and then go to advanced. You will get the CSS selector. Okay, just copy the CSS selector and go back to your code. Okay, go back to your code and then replace this section ID. Okay, replace this section ID and then go to the second section. Okay, there is the second section. Go to advanced tab, just copy this section ID without the pound sign. Okay, make sure you don't use the pound sign into the JavaScript code, because it will not work if you use that pound sign. Okay, and then go back to the code and again just replace these section IDs. Okay, you can see here I did not edit the pound sign. Okay, and one more thing, if you have more than two sections, okay, so what you need to do, just put a comma, okay, and then copy the enter section, okay, section ID, and replace your section. Okay, this way you can make more than 2, 3 or 4 section sticky. Okay, it's up to your design requirement. Okay, and make sure at the last one, okay, the last section ID, you don't have the comma. Okay, like this. Okay. So if I want to use 2, then I will not put comma at the last one. Okay, and then the same thing for the row. Okay, make sure you edit all the record rows that you want to make sticky. Then select the row, go to the advanced tab, get the row ID, okay, the CSS selector, and go back to your code. Okay, go back to your code snippet and then put the ID, okay, here. And this way you can if you have more than 5 row, then you can just add a comma and then duplicate this row ID and put it here. Okay, and make sure the last one don't have comma. Okay, and this way you can actually use multiple different rows. Okay, if you have less than 5 rows, then just delete the extra rows from here. Okay, just it. Okay, you don't need to touch any other code snippet. Okay, this is a JavaScript code snippet, and we have the full configuration already. You don't need to touch anything, just replace your section ID and the row ID. Okay, so if you want to use both section and row on the same page, okay, as sticky content, but if you want to use only for section, then we have different code snippet for that. If you only use row as sticky content, then we have different code snippet for that. But the implementation, as I said, all users need to replace your row ID or the section ID. Okay, and for this CSS style, okay, you can keep it if you want, or you can remove it. Okay, it will not affect your sticky section. Okay, but if you want to make your section full height, okay, then you can use this. Like for example, if you see this page, okay, if I show you the first section, you can see here this section take the entire screen. Okay, if I go to the second section, okay, again it takes the full height of the screen. Okay, like this. If you want to make full height, then you can keep the CSS. If you don't like to use that, then you can delete the CSS from here. But to make this sticky section, sticky row, you just need to replace this section or row ID. Okay, that's it. Otherwise, you don't need to make any changes, okay, on your code snippet. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also one more thing, you can join our GHL code snippet library for free. Okay, you can get the basic version of our GHL code snippet by joining our community. Okay, we have already 300 members, 299 members already. They are enjoying our content. Okay, you will get the new updated code snippet and the upcoming code snippet, tips, tricks, and a lot of other things. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask here. If you have any problem to implement the code snippet, you can post it here also. Okay, and if you have any other code request, you can also put it into the request section of this. Okay, so this community is completely free. When you join the community, you will get access to the free courses like AI course training. Okay, so AI chat builder training, and also the other free courses, and same way the basic version of GHL code snippet, you will get it free. But if you want to use our premium code snippet library, then you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching this. Have a nice day.